Rose musk begins with a soft floral bouquet of fresh rose petals and the sweet exotic allure of jasmine setting an elegant and romantic tone. The heart intensifies with the rich concentrated aroma of rose absolute delivering a deeper, more luxurious floral character. The creamy sweetness of vanilla complements the florals adding a warm smooth texture while saffron introduces a luxurious slightly leathery spice that elevates the fragrance's sophistication and depth. As it settles the base notes of rose musk emerge with the sensual and clean warmth of white musk, providing a lingering soft powdery touch. Amber adds a golden resinous richness infusing a sweet yet slightly smoky dimension. Finally, palisander rosewood grounds the composition with its smooth aromatic woodiness and subtle spice, giving the fragrance a refined and elegant finish that perfectly balances floral's warmth and depth. Performance elements of rose musk. Longevity. Rose musk is designed to be long-lasting, thanks to its rich base notes of amber white musk and palisander rosewood. These heavier ingredients help the fragrance cling to the fabric allowing it to project for hours. On average you can expect this fragrance to last between 8 to 12 hours with the base notes lingering even longer. Sillage. The sillage or the trail the fragrance leaves behind is moderate to strong. The combination of floral top and heart notes with the warm creamy base creates a noticeable presence without being overpowering. Rose musk has the potential to create a lovely enveloping aura that draws people in, especially in the first few hours of wear when the florals are more prominent. Projection. Rose musk has a balanced projection, starting off with a more noticeable presence due to the fresh rose petals and jasmine in the top notes. As the scent develops, it settles closer to the fabric, maintaining an elegant but subtle allure. The creamy vanilla saffron and white musk in the base allow for a sophisticated making it ideal for intimate settings. Versatility. Rose musk is versatile enough to be worn during both daytime and evening events. Its floral sweetness and warm musky base make it appropriate for formal occasion romantic dinners or even casual outings where a sophisticated scent is desired. It's suitable for all seasons though it may shine particularly well in cooler weather due to the warmth of its amber and musk notes. Seasonality. While rose musk can be worn year-round, its combination of florals musk and warm resinous notes makes it especially well-suited for fall and winter. The saffron and amber add depth and warmth that work beautifully in colder temperatures, while the rose and jasmine keep it fresh enough for springtime wear as well. Style. Luxurious and opulent. The use of premium ingredients like rose absolute saffron and amber evokes a sense of luxury and indulgence perfect for those who enjoy rich opulent fragrances. Type. Floral Oriental. This fragrance belongs to the Floral Oriental category, known for blending sweet and rich floral notes with warm spicy and musky base elements. The rose and jasmine dominate the floral aspect while amber saffron and musk define the oriental character. Mood. Romantic and elegant. Rose musk exudes a soft romantic mood with its delicate floral notes, particularly the rose petals and jasmine. The creamy vanilla and warm musk add a sensual comforting vibe, while saffron and amber lend an air of luxury and sophistication perfect for creating an intimate and elegant atmosphere. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.